All right, so organic chemistry has been around for quite a while, but recently the word organic has been taken on to some new meanings. And so when you hear the word organic, when most people are going to think about food and farming methods, that kind of thing, that's almost completely different from organic chemistry, right? So the kind of regular organic word that you might hear in the supermarket and commercials is not really what organic chemistry is about. So let's just take a look at the differences just a little bit. So I just borrowed these definitions from Google, right? And it says produced or involving production without the use of chemical fertilizers, pesticides, or other artificial agents. And so this, without the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, first of all, it's not even true. Organic farming still uses chemical fertilizers and pesticides. The main difference being is that they're not artificial ones. Which actually kind of goes in the exact opposite direction of what organic chemistry is all about. So you can see chemistry is relating or denoting the compounds containing carbon, as we often said, and chiefly of ultimately of biological origin. And so one of the actual big goals of organic chemistry is to actually make these artificial compounds. And the reason we want to make these artificial compounds is because we can take a look at what nature has and then we can modify it to make it better, right? So, better drugs, better fertilizers, better pesticides, all kinds of stuff better, right? And so there's nothing intrinsically better about non-artificial, right? There's a reason we make artificial things, and you can think of plenty of natural compounds that will kill you if you eat them. So there's nothing intrinsically better about, quote unquote, organic. And if you look at some of these definitions or some of these similar words, they don't even make any sense. Somewhere says chemical free, non-chemical. You can't really have anything that's chemical free. Almost everything is a chemical, other than essentially light. Everything else is a chemical. So all this stuff is no. So if someone tells you, oh, look, I farmed this food without any chemicals, or this, bottle of water is chemical free, you can just go ahead and just assume that that person has no idea what they're talking about. But anyways, yeah, know the difference between kind of organic in the way it's used right now and actual organic chemistry.